Hey guys, Ralph here, and today I'm going to show you how to exchange and replace headlight on your Nissan Juke. So the first step is to locate your headlight, so that's 1 and 2, and on the back of the headlight, that's where we're going to do the work to change your light bulb. Let's zoom a little bit. So it should be right there, the black plastic with the orange color. That's your light bulb. So before you start working, you can try to remove this air pipe hose, so it will be easier for you to work on the headlight. There's a little bit room. You can try to unclip this side and it will pop up like this. After you remove the air pipe hose, there's more room now to work on your headlight. Up close, this is what the back of the headlight looks like. First step to remove the headlight is to remove this headlight connector. There's a clip on the top of the headlight, and once you press it and pull, it will pop like this. Next step is to remove this black plastic lock by rotating it counterclockwise. So remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. This plastic lock has two sides, the deep and the shallow part. Sure if you can see it. Here's the shallow, and on the other side is the deep. And if you're going to put it back, always remember that the shallow is facing the headlight. The third step is to pull the headlight out like this, easy. And in case you're asking, the code for this part is HB59007, which is available on all Walmart or Auto Parts. So now we're going to install this new LED headlight. I'll put the link in the description below just in case you guys are interested in buying this stuff. So we have to do this preparation first before we install it. Always remember that the shallow part of the lock should always face the headlight. Good and tight. Now we're ready to install our new LED bulb. Just place it on the socket, nice and easy. Try to wiggle the lock a little bit and rotate the lock clockwise to lock it. It should be tight and not wiggling. Perfect. We can now connect the two connectors together. The last step of installment is to secure these wires using zip ties. Perfect. After we're done with the driver's side, we can put back the air pipe hose again. Now we're going to work on the passenger side headlight, and for this one it's a little bit tricky since for the reason that we don't have enough room to work on the headlight. So let's zoom a little bit so you guys can see it. So that's the lock, and that's the back part of the headlight right there. So it's the same process. Remove the connector first by pressing this clip and then pulling it out like this. This is the clip, and this is the headlight. So for the passenger head bulb, it's the same procedure. You need to remove this lock thing on the bulb itself. Just rotate it counterclockwise like this. Next, we're going to put this lock in the middle. Just remember, this is the shallow and the other one is the deep side. Make sure that it's tight and the bulb is secure on each side. Perfect. You're going to follow the backward step-by-step process on how to install the headlight. And in this case, it's a special case. We're going to put the headlight together with the lock. Just make sure that both lock and the headlight are tight and in place. One technique you can use is you can try to push the bulb while rotating it, because this one is really hard to install. There you go, lock and tight. The last part of the installment process is to connect the end part of the light bulb to the power source and secure the wire in place using zip ties. So that's the step-by-step process on how to exchange and install new LED light on your Nissan Juke. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if I'll take a video later today what it looks like for our new LED bulb. So here's our LED bulb at nighttime. Looks really nice and I like the result. And always, thanks for watching.